Hello, Primary 6. Today we will complete our lessons. We will talk about electric lamps. As we know, electric lamps represent as a constant source of light. Why? Because it's clear, bright, and free from smoke, vapor, and odor. So, it's preferable to use electric lamps than candles and kerosene lamps. As we said, why? Because it's more clear, bright, and free of smoke and odor. We have two types of electric lamps: fluorescent lamps and light bulbs. So, how many types of electric lamps? Two: light bulbs and fluorescent lamps. The first type, we will talk about light bulbs. The scientist Thomas Alva Edison is an American scientist or inventor who invented the light bulb. The light bulb is most popular source of artificial light, and it can be used in lighting houses, car lights, and making torches. The structure of light bulb. The light bulb consists of glass bulb. Glass bulb is very thin glass layer filled with argon gas. And the structure of glass bulb, it prevents the bulb from reaching air, or prevents air from reaching the bulb. So the first structure of light bulb is glass bulb. Its structure consists of very thin layer of glass filled with argon gas, and argon gas is inert gas or inactive gas, doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. The function of glass bulb is very important because it prevents air from reaching the bulb and prevents the bulb from burning. So we can use argon gas instead of air to prevent the bulb from burning. The second part in the light bulb, and it's a very important part in the light bulb, called tungsten filament. This tungsten filament is very thin coiled wire made of a metal called tungsten. Why? Because tungsten has high melting point. Doesn't burn according to the high temperature. So the second part in the light bulb is tungsten filament made of tungsten because it has high melting point, and its structure is very thin coiled wire. Its function, it heats up and light or glowing when the electric current pass to it through the copper and lead wire. Number 3, copper and lead wire. Its function, connect the filament with the base of the light bulb and connect the electricity from the base, transfer electricity from the base of the bulb to the filament to glow, to heat up and glowing. Okay. The last part in the light bulb is called base of light bulb. Base of light bulb is very important for connection. It connects the bulb with source of electricity. And we have two types of bases. Spiral base, as we see, and spiral base has a piece of lead and two side nails, as we said before, has two pieces of lead. So the light bulb consists of filament made of tungsten It heats up and glowing when electric current passes through it. Glass bulb, a very thin layer of glass filled with argon gas, prevents the bulb from burning and increase its lifetime. The base of the light bulb, it's a very important part for connection. Connect the bulb with electricity. As we said, filament is very thin coiled copper wire made of tungsten because it has high melting point, connected to the base by copper and lead wire. Its function heats up and emits light when electric current passes through it. This is the tungsten filament. These are the two copper and lead wires. The second type of fluorescent lamp, or the second type of electric lamps, is fluorescent lamp. Uses of fluorescent lamp: we can use fluorescent lamp for decoration, decorating stores, commercial stores, decorating festivals, and we can use them for lighting houses and streets. Okay. What is the structure of the fluorescent lamp? We said that glass light bulb consists of glass bulb, while the fluorescent lamp, as we can see, consists of glass tube, not glass bulb, glass tube, as we can see. This glass tube is vacuumed and filled with argon gas and little amount of mercury vapor. This glass tube is covered from inside or inner surface by phosphoric material, so it can be used for decoration. The fluorescent lamp also consists of two tungsten filaments inside. Two tungsten filaments from inside. The two tungsten filament made also of tungsten because it has high melting point. Number 3, 2 points of connection. 2 points of connection at the two ends or the two tips of the fluorescent lamp to connect the fluorescent lamp with electric current. Okay.